Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you top 5 best-selling products to sell on eBay. I'm Ibrahim from YÖNETİMİ. In this channel we share the information you need to know to improve your trade. And okay, let's start the video. Some people get upset because they couldn't sell products, but no worry. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best-selling products for you to sell. I also found the cheaper ones of these products on Amazon. I will share them with you. Okay, our first product is skeleton wall clock. The product has been sold 2 times in last hour and 2,701 sold in total. It has also 935 vouchers. It's really good product to sell. Let's look at the daily sales number. Okay, as you can see, it's sold on average 6 times per day, so it's sold a lot. And this price of the product on Amazon, you can buy it on Amazon and sell it on eBay with your profit. If you can find this kind of product, I believe you will be able to sell it easily. Okay, let's look at our second product. Our second product is Twister, the classic family children's party game. It has been sold 2,393 times in total and watched 24 times per day. It also has 190 vouchers. Let's look at the daily sales. Okay, it was sold almost every day until yesterday. Of course, you can increase these numbers, and this is the price on Amazon. I think you can sell it with a good profit. There is a good profit, like £5. Okay, and let's look at our third product. Our third product is Thompson Tower. People like to spend time with these kinds of games because they are at home due to pandemic. Therefore, such products are sold very much. As you can see, the product was sold 951 times in total. It has 87 vouchers, and this is the price on Amazon. As you can see, it is cheaper here. You can earn very good money with these products. In addition, I suggest you sell such practical products for home. Okay, our next product is a board game. It has 33 times viewed per day. It also has been sold 3,391 in total and has 394 vouchers. I want to sell you something here. If you can find variation for these products, you can sell them with good profit. And here is the price on Amazon. It is low profit margin, but many a little makes a miracle. Let's look at our final product. Again, a board game, a game of Monopoly. It has been sold 103 times in total and also has a 27 vouchers, and here is the price on Amazon. Let's look at the daily sales. As you can see, it depends on day, but it's generally sold. As I said, you can find this kind of product and sell them with good profit. I'm just showing you as an example. Yes friends, we came to the end of the video. As you can see, you can earn good money by selling such products. You just need to do some research and care when listing the product. If you do all these things, you can quickly sell your product. If you have questions or problems, you can mention in the comment below. We will help as best we can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video series. Bye now.